Hello and welcome to InsideWi-Fi, Video 21. 2.4 GHz bands, channels, and frequencies. All Wi-Fi connections around us work using radio frequencies, which are organized into bands, channels and frequencies. Wi-Fi operates across 3 frequency bands, with the third band introduced recently as part of the Wi-Fi 6E standard. 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, 6 GHz bands. The 2.4 GHz band is also known as the ISM band, with a frequency range from 2.401 GHz to 2.495 GHz and channels from 1 to 14. Let's discuss step by step. What is a Wi-Fi channel? A Wi-Fi channel is a smaller section of the wireless frequency spectrum used by Wi-Fi devices to transmit and receive data. Each channel is defined by a specific center frequency and channel width, allowing multiple Wi-Fi networks to operate within the same frequency band. IEEE 802.11b uses a 22 MHz channel width, whereas IEEE 802.11g, 802.11n, 802.11ax and 802.11be use 20 MHz as the minimum channel width. The 2.4 GHz spectrum is divided into 14 channels, though the available range varies by region. North America supports Wi-Fi channels 1 through 11, where channels 1, 6 and 11 are commonly used as non-overlapping channels. Japan supports Wi-Fi channels 1 through 14, where channels 1, 6 and 11 are commonly used as non-overlapping channels. However, channel 14 is supported only in IEEE 802.11b. Most other regions support Wi-Fi channels 1 through 13, where channels 1, 5, 9 and 13 can be used as non-overlapping channels in IEEE 802.11b 22 MHz bandwidth and their frequencies. Channel 1, frequency ranges from 2401 MHz to 2423 MHz with center frequency at 2412 MHz. Channel 2, frequency ranges from 2406 MHz to 2428 MHz with center frequency at 2417 MHz. Channel 3, frequency ranges from 2411 MHz to 2433 MHz with center frequency at 2422 MHz. Channel 4, frequency ranges from 2416 MHz to 2438 MHz with center frequency at 2427 MHz. Channel 5, frequency ranges from 2421 MHz to 2443 MHz with center frequency at 2432 MHz. Channel 6, frequency ranges from 2426 MHz to 2448 MHz with center frequency at 2437 MHz. Channel 7, frequency ranges from 2431 MHz to 2453 MHz with center frequency at 2442 MHz. Channel 8, frequency ranges from 2436 MHz to 2458 MHz with center frequency at 2447 MHz. Channel 9, frequency ranges from 2441 MHz to 2463 MHz with center frequency at 2452 MHz. Channel 10, frequency ranges from 2446 MHz to 2468 MHz with center frequency at 2457 MHz. Channel 11, frequency ranges from 2451 MHz to 2473 MHz with center frequency at 2462 MHz. Channel 12, frequency ranges from 2456 MHz to 2478 MHz with center frequency at 2467 MHz. Channel 13, frequency ranges from 2461 MHz to 2483 MHz with center frequency at 2472 MHz. Channel 14, frequency ranges from 2473 MHz to 2495 MHz with center frequency at 2484 MHz. In IEEE 802.11g and later 2.4 GHz standards, the channel bandwidth is reduced to 20 MHz by trimming 1 MHz from each side of the channel. However, compatibility is maintained by keeping the same center frequencies as IEEE 802.11b. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you found this video informative and helpful. In the next video, let's see bands, channels and frequencies of 5 GHz. Thank you for watching.